Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Javed Iqbal and you are watching Iqbal Virtual Academy. Our topic is today our topic is how to copy a text from a picture. So if you wanna copy a text from a picture, you have to use two applications. One is OneNote and the second is Microsoft Word. So what we have to do, window logo key plus R, open OneNote, enter, minimize it, and window logo key plus R, Word, enter and minimize it. Then we have to search for a picture. For example, let's suppose this picture. Copy the picture or drag the picture to OneNote and then paste it to OneNote. You have to drag and drop it to OneNote. Then right click on a picture. When you right click, there is cut copy, and the third command is copy text from picture. So this is the command, copy text from picture. If you need to copy a text from a picture, from any picture, you have to drag the picture to the OneNote and then right click on the picture and copy text from picture. So copy text from picture, then open Microsoft Word and paste or control V. Okay, so this is the text. There is some mistakes, for example, open and that one. Okay, so it is an open source software platform and operating system. So let's try again. Control A, delete and minimize, delete that picture too. Now we have to search for another picture, for example this one. Drag the picture to OneNote, drop here, right click on picture, copy text from picture, and then Microsoft Word, control V. Now this is the font. You can change the font size as you wish, as you want. Now let's change the font size, okay, and make it bigger in size. So what is Android SDK? Full form of SDK, Software Development Kit. Now you can see here in the picture what is Android SDK. Full form of SDK, Software Development Kit. Android SDK is complete development kit. Okay, so this is a picture and this is a Microsoft Word text file. This is a picture file and this is a text file. I hope you can understand me. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Thanks a lot for watching. Allah Hafiz.